திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை's 8th statement. தந்தை எங்கே என்றேனோ துருவனைப் போலே. Did I ask like Duruvan, where is my father? Here in this statement, திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை spoke about the bhakti of Duruva. Duruvan was the son of Uttanapada and Suniti. Uttanapadan was the son of Swayambhuvamanu and Sataropa. Uttanapadan had 2 wives. So one was Suniti, Duruvan was born to them. The other wife was Surusi. Uttaman was born to them. And the king liked Suruchi more, and Suniti was not given good position by the king, that is Uttanapadan. So Suniti was in dhyanam and praying God to give her good position in the life. One day, Duruvan saw his brother Uttaman was sitting on their father's lap and playing. So Duruvan also wanted to play. So he went closer to the father and tried to sit on his lap. But Suruchi, she saw Duruvan trying to sit on the father's lap, then immediately she shouted at him. She asked Duruva to get down from the lap, and she said, "You are not fit to sit on your father's lap because you were not born to me. If you want to sit on your father's lap, go and do dhyanam, do Hari Bhajan, and you will be born to me, and then you will be qualified to sit on your father's lap." Duruvan was very much upset, he was sad, he was angry. Then he went to his mother. Suniti, hearing all that, she prayed to Bhagavan Hari and she said, "Bhagavan, please take care of my son." Then she advised Duruvan not to develop hatred or don't be angry with anyone. You were given an opportunity to do dhyana. So what had happened was good for you. Now there is a way for you to explore the path of devotion, and you will get Jagat Pita. You will be seeing the father of everyone, Vasudeva. So she was consoling the child and giving correct advice, and she said, "You follow the path of dharma, then you will live a great life." Then the 5 years old Duruva said, "Who is Jagat Pita? Where is she? How can I see him?" Then she said, "Yes, you can see him by doing dhyana, and you will be guided by a guru. The guru will show you the path. Guru will tell you the process." Then Duruva asked, "Who is Guru?" Then she explained everything, and she sent him to do meditation, to do dhyana. As a mother, she was upset, but she surrendered everything to God, to Bhagavan. And she said, Bhagavan asked Devarshi Narada to be the guru of Duruvan. So Narada came to Duruvar and asked him, many questions to just check the stability of Dhruvan in going ahead with the tapas. And Narada told Dhruva, you are a small child, doing tapas at this age is very difficult, and you want to see Bhagavan Hari. When many rishis did difficult tapas, but they were not successful in having the darshan of Hari. So you better get back to your palace. But Dhruvan refused. He wanted to have the darshan of Jagat Pita, and Narada decided to teach him the process of doing puja and dhyanam, and how to conduct puja, then how to keep mind focused on dhyana and the process of pranayam. So everything was taught to him, and Narada taught him the mantra Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narada asked Dhruva to go to Madhuvanam in Vrindavanam to do tapas, and he also said Bhagavan will appear before you. Then Dhruva followed the teachings of Narada very rigidly, and he started doing tapas at the age of 5 years old. And Dhruva had the darshan of God within himself, that is in the form of Antaryami. And Virat Swarupa Bhagavan wanted to see the devotee Dhruva. So he came to Madhuvanam in the form of Garudarudan. And when Dhruva was meditating, he suddenly realized the Bhagat Swarupam within himself disappeared. So he was disturbed, and he woke up and he opened his eyes. Then he found the same God in the same form was standing just in front of him, and he prostrated at him, and he kept on seeing even without winking his eyes. Then God Hari, he took out his conch, Panchachanyam, and he touched Dhruva's cheek with the Panchachanyam. Panchachanyam is the representation of Vedas. So he touched his cheek with it, and Dhruva got the power of Jnanam. So he understood the philosophy of Paramatma and Jivatma, and he started chanting 12 slokas in praise of God Hari, because he found there are 12 suns appeared in front of him. So that was the gift for Dhruva's bhakti. So, and God also told Dhruva that you will be ruling your kingdom for 36,000 years, and after that you will be in Dhruva Mantala as Dhruva star. You will reach that Dhruva Sthanam. So Tirukkolar Pillai was referring Dhruva. She was talking in praise of Dhruva, and she was telling Sri Ramanuja, when he asked for father, he had the opportunity of having the darshan of Jagat Pita, but I don't have that bhakti, and she was feeling miserable about it.